Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about algorithms in Python. So, algorithms in Python, so far we're learning about there's two types, but then we're going to get into the advanced algorithm. First, we're going to do the linear searching. Okay, so this is how you do it. So, first of all, we make an empty list. That's easy for you guys, right? It's really easy. Let's do it. Okay, so here, look. List 1 equals square bracket, right? Then after this, what we're gonna do is we want to do numbers. So how do we do for the numbers? For the numbers, all we have to do, what am I doing? Okay, yeah. So for the numbers, all we have to do is, okay, numbers equals to in bracket, what am I doing? Input bracket quotation marks, enter your amount of number. Okay, now after this, yeah, exactly. After this, for I in range, what am I doing? Numbers. Let's copy. Number. Numbers equals to it bracket input input. Oh my god, what's happening today? Input and then enter your number. That is easy. Now all we have to do is list one dot append all the numbers. So number. Print list one. So here we go. Oh guys, what happened to me today? What's happening to me today? See? 12, 12. If I run it again. Okay, at 39, 5. See? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 24. Now here's actually where we start for the searching. Now for the first algorithm we're gonna learn is searching. So what's the searching algorithm here? It's like, let's say I'm searching whatever, like, let's play Smash Cards. We go to Smash Cards, then we start playing the game, right? Like, my search is just loading, right? Right, it's just loading. Or something happened. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what happened. Something happened. Okay, so then you get into the game, and then blah 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 blah. But it's like that. That's what basically the search button is. I mean, searching algorithm. So we're gonna make a variable target equals to, because this is a number, has to be in integer type. Enter the number you want to search. What am I doing? So search, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is now we're going with the flag. So flag we've done a lot of times, but this time we're gonna do found variable. Found equals to 0. Now, what we're going to do is exactly for, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, if I, oh, my bad, yeah, for I in range, whatever. Oh, my bad, list one. Okay, we're doing list one. because we want to search the number in the list. So if we want to search the number in the list, we have to do list 2 for I and list 1. Now, here's where you start the if and else. If I equals target, meaning that I have a list of numbers. Let's make this easier for you kids. So, I have a list. 2, 2, and hatwa. I mean not hatwa. 4, 4, 4, 4. Now the number I want to search for is 4. Now, let's see. For the first value of I, the first value of I is what? 2? So does this match with 4? No. The second value of I is 2. Does that match with 4? No. Third value of I is 2. Does that match with 4? No. Now the fourth value of I is 4. Does it match? Yes, it does. So I was gonna write target is found. Okay, found. So if I say 3, 6, 8, and I write 7. 7 goes with 3? Nope. Nope. I want to find 7, but no. 7 matches with 6? Nope. Doesn't match with 8? Nope. And that's how much numbers we have in our list. So it's going to say target is not found. Okay, that's how it's going to work. Now we have to do found equals 1 and break. You can also not put break, but the thing for break is it won't take time. It goes even faster. Without break, it takes so much time. Okay? It takes so much time. I'm telling you, it takes so much of time. Now, anyways, if found equals to 1, if that, we're gonna say target is found. So print target is found. Else print target is not found. What am I doing? Yeah, okay. So target is not found, or else target is found. Okay. So let's run the code now. Okay. Let's run the code. 2, 3. Say what? Target's not found. Here, let's do go again. 5. Now, if I say 192, see, target is found. See that? Now, what happens if I don't do break? Let's run the code again. 5, what the? So if I say 2, target is not found. Okay. Oh, what was I doing? Break, I meant to break. What was I doing? Target's not found because 2's not in the list. Let's do it again. 3. So if I say 24, target is found because that's in the list. This is called linear searching. Binary searching, we'll get into that, this is not advanced algorithm, but binary searching will do. But this is linear searching. Now, linear searching means what? Linear searching basically means like a line here. Like this line. That's what linear means. Binary is different. Okay, binary searching I'll teach you. Okay? So Thank everyone for listening about my video about algorithms of linear searching. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye. By the way, and my brother's Kiddos-AK's birthday is in 2 days. You guys, we have to get the 30K subscribers, but I think we can't get the 30K subscribers, but let's at least try getting to 29,100 subscribers. Let's try getting up to this much in just 2 days, guys. Guys, you have to subscribe along. Okay? Anyone who's watching this, just subscribe. Please. Please. I even put an option and please guys, just subscribe. Please guys, please guys. Put the right comments. You know me. You guys are my fans for the ones that watched me a long time. Like, please subscribe. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Or this is coming. Please, 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 please.